molto lentamente.
Get 2 bags of Jane's well-beloved lunch for just £15. Pets are time, time shall share.
Santander and Android Pay, there's a simple and secure way to pay. Go online or pop into our award-winning branches and we'll help you get set up. Simple, personal, thank you.
I'm Alvin. I was 6 when I first met the man from the NSPCC. My mum's boyfriend used to hit us. One night, he punched me in the tummy. The NSPCC helps a lot, and now things are getting better.
A child that is free from abuse is free to dream again. Your donation can take a child anywhere. Text Alfie to 70744 to donate £3.